The town of Kherson in Ukraine has banned animals from making noise at night. Pet owners now have to stop their furry friends from making noise between 10 at night and 8 in the morning.
That's right, this is great news for burglars. Some dog. What is it, boy? It's a fucking... I don't know what you're on about. It's a fucking burglar. What are you too fucking do? Bloke comes down in the morning. Oh, we've been burgled. I'm trying to fucking tell you. Not only that, they've done a shit on the floor. It wasn't me, it was the burglars. It isn't just dogs that they're clamping down on.
The new law doesn't just apply to cats and dogs. Goats bleating, cows mooing and pigs oinking will get the owners into trouble.
Who the fuck has a pet cow? Are there people watching The X Factor next to a bullock? I agree, Daisy. Frankie does look like he's got crabs. Why stop pets from making noise? If you're going to silence any animal at night, it should be foxes. Have you ever heard them make love? It's terrifying. Pets aren't like that. If you ban pets from making noise, you'll miss out on dogs that sound like this. Don't get rid of that. And goats. Lovely goats that sound a little bit broken. Don't get rid of those noises.